In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix msvcr100.dll missing. First thing you want to do is go to cmd, run as administrator. Here you're going to write the following commands. So the first command, bism/online/cleanup/restore health, and then press enter. Second command, sfc/scan now, and press enter. Now this command might take a few minutes, but it's gonna fix any errors or missing files in your computer. And once it's done, you can try restarting your computer and see if this fixes the issue. Now if you're still experiencing errors, then what you can do is go to Google Chrome, and here you will write the name of the missing DLL file. So just put the name in, then type next to it download. So hold on, let me just put the name, then download. Okay, then go to this first website here. Over here you'll see two versions, 32 and 64-bit. So if your operating system is 64-bit, you can see the operating system over here, it's 64-bit. So if it's 64-bit, then download like both of them, this one and this one. If you're 32-bit, then just download this one, that's enough. So let's download this. So as you can see, this website is lagging and taking too long to download, so you can just switch to another website to download the DLL file from. So I'll just go to this one and download the versions. So if you go down here, you'll see the versions. So let's throw here DLL and download. Okay, here it is. So there's 32-bit and there's 64-bit. So let's download the 64-bit. So that's the download. And then let's go back and download the 32-bit. And the download is done. So when you open your downloads, you'll see both folders here. So the one that says 64-bit is the 64-bit version. The one that says 86 is the 32-bit. So now you just need to extract them. Now we go to this PC, go to C drive, and down here go to Windows. Over here, go to System 32. And then you just have to drop the 64-bit version. So this is the 64-bit. Just drop it in here and then click continue. And then go back and go inside syswow64. And then here you'll see the 32-bit version. This is the 32-bit. Just drag it and drop it. Set here, click continue. Then you can go back here. So I'll go back here. So if you are using a 64-bit version computer, then you just do what I did. Grab okay, so as I was saying, if you are using 64-bit computer, just do like I did. You drag the 64-bit folder in DLL folder inside of System32 and the 32-bit inside of syswow64. If you're using 32-bit computer, then you just drag the 32-bit version, drag it inside of System32, and that's it. After this, I suggest that you try restarting your computer and see if this fixes the issue. Now if you're still experiencing the issues, then you can just go back here onto your Google Chrome and type in Visual C++ redistributable download. Go to the main page of Microsoft, and then here you will download the latest version of the C++ package. So download the 32-bit version and the 64-bit and install both of them. So run the installer for both of them, just install, agree, and everything. Then do the same with the 32-bit version, just run it, install, and everything. After this, you of course have to try restarting your computer, and hopefully this fixes your issue.